guys, again, so you're not going to believe, está bien, lo dije bien, ¿eh? No van a creer lo que va a pasar ahora. ¿Y qué va a pasar? Vamos ya está listo el Revo, it's already finished the Revo, already with his armor on, ready for battle, and right now is the time for the baby over here, the Lambo Super Trofeo. This is the one that I usually do my warm-up. And well, y tell a little bit the guys qué le estamos haciendo y qué se le hizo, ¿no?
Recién terminamos de hacer alineación, controlamos divergencia, comba, pesos por rueda, con las balanzas. Y ahora íbamos a quitar las ruedas para hacer revisión de amortiguadores, de frenos y de fluidos, de motor, caja. We checked all the alignment. Now we are checking the brakes, the suspension, the dampers, settings, the fluids, water, oil.
The normal thing that they usually check, no?
Yep.
So you can see all the aerodynamics, no? A little bit the baby over here. And it's basically almost a GT3 car, a little bit more weight on it, no? And
after that, boom, boom.
Yes, that's it.
Es siempre recomendable chequear todo para minimizar los riesgos de rotura de auto y de golpearse. Es una rutina que se hace siempre.
So yeah, like he told you guys before, we recheck everything, double check, triple check, you know, especially not in our case because we put it often in the racetrack, but most people, you know, have race car and they don't go too often, so they need extra, you know, attention, the car. Yeah, guys, pretty much that's it, you know, sequential. You have also clutch to put first, and that's it. And then, yeah, during the week, I'm going to show you a little bit more about what is the sensation of driving this car. I hope that you enjoy it, and very soon we are going to put more videos of this beast on track, and also over there the other baby. So please stay tuned and stay following us. Thank you.